iQOO Neo 10 series launching on November 29th in China. There are two models in the lineup, the iQOO Neo 10 and the iQOO Neo 10 Pro. This is the first look iQOO Neo 10 series. iQOO Neo 10 series come in three colors, orange, white and black. iQOO Neo 10 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. iQOO Neo 10 Pro will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipsets and the Q2 supercomputing chip for an enhanced gaming experience. Neo 10 series will feature the Sony IMX921 sensor as its primary camera. Both devices have 16GB of RAM and Android 15, with Origin OS 5 on top and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Both devices will have a 6.78-inch OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate flat display, promising an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors, and feature an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. iQOO Neo 10 series is equipped with the latest Visionox F1 display. The iQOO Neo 10 will feature a 50-megapixel and 50-megapixel dual camera setup. Both models will have batteries over 6,100 mAh. Come with 120W fast charging support similar to the predecessors. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.